Welcome to Technology Talks. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I know I am posting this video after a very long time. I'm sincerely apologizing from my end as I had some technical issues. So, that's the reason the video got delayed. And in this video, I'll be reviewing the official website about boat, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title. I'll be reviewing, I would, share my experience. Basically, I'm going to share my experience whether my experience was satisfactory or very good or excellent or very bad. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to get into the point straight away. I'm very disappointed for making today's video. I never thought that I'll make this kind of a video wherein I'll be reviewing the worst product or worst website, that is the boatlifestyle.com. So guys, today I'm going to share my review and my experience, that what I faced with boat. So on 10th of December, I had ordered a Boat Stone 350 speaker and I received it by 14 December. But when I received it, the package was fully damaged, as you can see by the images. It was totally damaged and the seal was broken. The product also was not good. So I decided it to return and replace. So on 14th by 16th December, they came and they took my product and they said I'll receive the new product, replaced product, within 5 to 7 working days. So I was waiting and waiting, but I didn't get any response. So I tried following up. I raised a mail. I sent a mail. They also gave me a ticket number. So I was just constantly following up, but I couldn't see any change in that ticket number. So I decided to call them. So since then I was constantly calling them, going on calling them, and all I could hear from them is we'll deliver your product within 5 to 7 days, we'll dispatch it within 48 hours, within 3 to 10 working days. I have been waiting and waiting. It's been 2 months, and it's been over 2 months, not 2 months, over 2 months now. I have been constantly taking a follow up, but they are just giving the same response, which is we'll dispatch it and you won't get a chance to call us back, because by then you will receive your product, the replaced product, and all that stuff. I was so pissed off because they are just fooling people around. I thought that instead of going to Amazon and Flipkart, the official website will be better and will receive a genuine product. But I guess now Amazon and Flipkart only is better, because we can never trust boat's official website. They are just making people to wait, and there are people who haven't received their products since past 10 months. I'm so shocked to see why are they doing this. I don't understand why are they doing this. Whether they want to play with their customers emotions and their money, I don't know. I don't even know if they will return it back to me. I've been asking for refund, they are not even doing that. They are saying, no ma'am, there is no option for that, we'll replace your product very soon, very soon. And that soon hasn't come yet. I have been constantly following up, and I don't know what to do. And I would literally, I'm urging you guys that please don't buy for anything. Don't buy anything from Boat's official website. They are just fake. I feel that it's fake, and they are just fooling people around. They're playing with people's emotions. So guys, please do not buy any products. If anyone is thinking of buying from Boat's official website, please do not buy. It is better to buy from Amazon or Flipkart. At least they are genuine to their towards their consumers or customers. I would literally guys, please don't buy from this website. So I'll show you now how I ordered, and how what's the status right now of my order. Now I'll go to my orders, and then I'll show what the status. So here you can see I had ordered on 10th of December. Payment status was paid. Exactly, I had done a prepaid order of rupees 1249, and the reverse pickup was generated, and you can see the return window is closed right now. The other day I had called them, I had texted them, I raised a complaint on Twitter. I had tagged them and I had raised a complaint on Twitter, and they said we are really sorry for the inconvenience caused, and we are working on it. But what they did was they sent an executive to my place to take the replacement product, wherein I had already sent it to them on 14th or 16th of December. I had already given the product back, and I was waiting from for them to return my new product. But they are literally playing games. I don't know. Now here you can see my ticket number, and you can see the reverse pickup was generated on 14th of December, and the approval is still pending. And the other day when I called, they were like they lost your product and stuff like that. And here also you can see that they were just playing with us. See, you can see on 17th Feb they sent an executive for a pickup, and when he called me I said, no, you guys have to return me my product. I had already returned it on 14th of December. So then I had to cancel it because obviously I don't have the product, and what will I give it to him if he comes? So that got cancelled, and then again I tagged Twitter. I mean again I tagged both people on Twitter, and again I started taking follow-ups on the chat. But they are like, we are really sorry and stuff like that. And then they said, we'll update you shortly. I'm just waiting, as now it's Saturday Sunday, it's not working. So I'll be waiting now, and I'll be taking a follow up again on Monday. And guys, I'll be updating you guys, and please don't buy anything from this boat's website, please. They are just fake, and they are playing with people's emotions. There are n number of people who haven't received their product yet, like even after giving it for replacement from past 5 6 7 8 months. So please do not buy anything from boat. This is my honest review. It's not like sponsored or whatever. It's my honest review. So, and my honest experience as well. I don't want you guys also to waste your money and just wait blankly for your product, wherein they are just playing around. I'll be constantly taking follow-ups. And guys, if any of you had faced the same issue like from boat, and if anyone got the product replaced, then please comment down below, okay? And if you guys are also facing the same issue, you guys also please comment down below, so that we all together can find a way. And I'll be updating you guys within 2-3 days. I'll be updating you again about the current status of my product. So I hope this video was very informative and it was very useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel. Also, you can follow us on all our socials down below. We have linked all the links in the description box. You can please go and follow us, and you can DM us if you have any kind of doubts. And once again, I would request you guys, please do not buy from boat, and please comment down below your experience. And if you're facing the same issue, please comment down below, so that it will be helpful for other people as well as for me. And if I get any kind of solution, I'll definitely share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, goodbye and take care.